learning papers, and all this stuff is open access, so this is going to be fun. Yeah, so all the papers here you can view right away. And some of them are published, some of them aren't. But the archives is a very good place, I think, to get started. Now, many of them, depending on what you look for, could be very deep in what's being presented in them. As I'm sure this one is, because I saw it had grep bounds and Markov chains.
So just out of curiosity, you say you use MATLAB. Do you use something as simple as Excel, or do you pretty much use the MATLAB for everything now?
I use MATLAB for most. So my two big programming languages are MATLAB and Python. Python, I think, is just it's a very nice and easy language to learn. It's very powerful, and there's been this push from the open source community to actually get the functionality of MATLAB in Python.
Have you tried any open source MATLAB stuff? I just came across a couple.
But I mean, in my research field, MATLAB has some very nice functionality that's in their toolboxes. I think their neural networks toolbox, the artificial neural networks toolbox, is by far better than anything I've seen from other people that have pushed that out. Optimization methods are very good. Yeah.
Could I find papers on neural networks and stuff like that?
Yeah, so if you're interested in neural networks, you just come into this guy, the archives, computer science. So neural and evolutionary computing is probably where it's going to be. Yeah, so first one, training a P4 neural network with artificial bee colony optimization backpropagation method. That could be actually kind of fun, because there's like a whole area of optimization methods, like the particle swarm. There's bee colony, there's ant colony. I think there's some fish, I forget what type of fish, like that move around. Yeah. So, any other questions?
One question I have is, because you're an American citizen, do you feel you have an advantage for research dollars? That's kind of my feeling was back 20 years ago when I was doing it.
Maybe some fellowships are good, like DoD is obviously going to make it for U.S. citizens. There's a lot of other very prestigious ones that are for U.S. citizens only. But generally, a good student who's a very good researcher is going to get funding.
Right.
Whether it's through some outside institution or whether it's as a research and teaching assistant, they'll get funding to do it. Right. And the funding, you're not going to live a lavish lifestyle by any means, no matter where you go. But it's enough to give you a stipend, enough to live off of and pay the bills, and it also generally pays for your courses as well.
Okay, there's supposed to be a class in here at 5 o'clock, but it's a welding class. Who knows they can hold class, but. Thank you, sir.
Yep.